Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are taking a look and unboxing the Starcodes Astro Oracle by Heather Roan Robbins, artwork by Lucas Lua De Souza. It is a 56 card deck and guidebook published by Hay House. It retails for $26.99 in the US and $35.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link the legitimate sources that you can purchase this deck should you want to. And I am an Amazon affiliate. So with that being said, let's take a look at the back. Look to the sky to see within. Tap into the powerful energy of ancient astrological archetypes and the influential relationships between celestial bodies as they move through the sky and through your life with the Starcodes Astro Oracle. This boldly illustrated 56 card deck delivers messages from the universe and deepens the reader's knowledge of astrological terminology with each draw. Learn the challenges and gifts of each card and choose an action, because no matter what your chart or the cards say, the power is truly within you. I am so excited to finally get my hands on this. It's been on my list since it's come out. All right, there's the inside there. And we're going to take a quick peek at the guidebook real fast to see if there's anything pertinent we need to know before we get into the cards. Oh, I'm excited. All right. So we have an introduction, how to use the cards, and orientation to astrology. Ooh, and then it looks like we have different groups of the cards. So we have the signs, the qualities, solar activity, luminaries, planets, asteroids, lunar nodes, and then we have locations. So cardinal points, houses, patterns. We have the supportive aspects, challenging aspects, and changing states. Oh, I am so excited about this. Okay. So the deck is divided into the 4 categories, and then the lenses, we just went over that. Can expand the aperture through which you view a problem or situation and help you try a different perspective. Then the celestial characters, these cards can describe what archetype is activated by your question and what strengths you can call upon to take action on the guidance you receive. And locations, all of which refer to the locations or compartments in your life that are activated in the present moment and in need of attention. And then the patterns describe the relationships between archetypes and investigate whether your situation is a passing event, instigated from outside, or part of the progression of your soul's growth. All right. Then you can go through and look at how you would use the deck yourself. This is really cool. Okay. All the different options. And then we have some spreads. All right. So we have the astrological sequence, the dial, and then an orientation to the different meanings of those words. And then it goes into the messages. All right. I'm excited. I have a love for astrology-based decks, and this is one of the newest ones I have seen on the market. And look at the back. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Here we go. All right, so we have the number up in the corner. We have the name and then a message or keyword at the bottom. All right, and the card stock is very much like the Hay House card stock. It's a little bit on the thinner side. Not a big deal for me, but for some of you it is, so I'm going to mention that. And it looks like it is a matte finish, so we love to see it. Not that there's anything wrong with the gloss. Just for me personally, I film, so gloss is something that I have to work around when filming. But I love the art style. Oh my gosh, look at this. Very fun. Very dynamic. Oh my goodness. And 56 cards. That's so exciting. I feel like a lot of the Oracle cards I have been looking at lately have been like 33. Wow, stunning. I like that you also get the symbol of the zodiac up there. Wow, just so much detail, so much to look at. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. I'm really loving this so far. It is really pretty. It's different, it's dynamic. I feel like there's so many different ways that you could use this oracle. Oh, I love the peonies. Oh my gosh. Stunning. I'm so excited about this. I think this is definitely a deck that can help you learn the energies of the planets, the zodiacs, etc. And even with just the imagery here, you can definitely understand what the planet's all about. This is really cool. Oh, it's so cool. So much to look at. Whoa. How I love it. I'm so sorry. I'm just really enjoying the energy and I'm really enjoying the art style. The way that everything's done. So cool. Oh, this looks like Disney World. Cool. All right, we are in the houses. So pretty. Oh, I love it. This reminds me of those popular triangle scenery tattoos that went around in the beginning of the 2010s. Not that that's a bad thing, I'm just associating. Love that. All right. Beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, let's see how it shuffles. I'm sure it's just fine. Oh, yes. Sometimes you can shuffle them this way, especially when they're on the thinner side. Yeah. Yeah, I don't have an issue with the way it shuffles at all. I don't have an issue with the cardstock either. All right, can I get a card to read from the guidebook, please? We're gonna take the first one. Well, let's read for both of them that came out. All right, so the first one we're gonna read for is the 10th house. Authority. If your chart were a village map, the 10th house would hold the courthouse, government seat, and the public face of your work. Here is the arena for your most public self, your relationship to authority figures, and your role as a leader. Action. You are being asked to step up and take on the next level of personal authority. It's hard to build something without a clear blueprint, so look at your definition of a strong leader and decide whether you need to amend it. Remember how you felt as a kid about your parents, the school principal, priests, police, and teachers, and observe whether they've used their responsibility wisely and encouraged you to develop yours, or whether you need to rebel to be safe. Notice your relationship to the concept of divine authority and investigate it. If it was something to be feared, ignored, or expanded. Did it offer you safety and refuge? These patterns affect both how you react to outside authority and what you expect from yourself as a parent, professional, or leader. Sort between the traits that worked and those not worth emulating. Destruct assumptions about authority that no longer serve you. Authority is no longer what other people carry. It is what you are developing within. Take responsibility for healing old wounds around empowerment and create new blueprints. If needed, tell off someone who abused their authority either in person, in therapy, or in a letter you burn and release. Get the training and certification you need. Create a mental collage of good role models, people who lead in a way that empowers others. Create a clear picture of a competent, responsible, lovable, and empowering authority. Step into that role and be the pillar in your community and family with confidence. A challenge. A bully is a parody of a true leadership. Be careful not to mistake power over other people as equal to empowerment within. Gift. Wherever you are in your evaluation, it's time to take the next step up the mountain of leadership, empowerment, and accomplishment. All right. That's really cool. Let me just check out. Okay, so it's very much the same as the house, but this one has a spiritual gift for Pluto. Let's just read that. Pluto asks you, in the face of life and death, why are you here? This isn't a rhetorical question. Strip down to the essentials and come back to what really matters to find the answer. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, I'm excited. I really am excited about this. I feel like this would be a fantastic deck to help learn all of the different ins and outs of astrology. I think it would be a fantastic deck to use for like maybe birth chart work, if you know where and what signs your birth if you know your birth chart, essentially, it could help you decode it a little bit more and give you a little bit more sense of what things mean in those particular houses and how they relate to you, or as an everyday oracle. I feel like this is fantastic. And also this could be a great deck for when, you know, we know that certain changes are coming, like a full moon in, you know, Pisces, and what that would mean and what that would look like, or, you know, the just different transitional periods of the moon throughout the year, and as it moves through each zodiac sign, it might help you make a little bit more sense out of that. I'm really excited. I think this is fun, dynamic, a great price point. Again, the type of cardstock doesn't really bother me that much. It's very much usable. It shuffles just fine. I am enamored with the art style. I think it's gorgeous and stunning, and I'm just so excited to start using it and putting it into work. So with that being said, I'm going to throw it to you. What do you think about this deck? Is it something you're excited about? Do you already own it? Because I know it's been out for a little bit now. Let me know down in the comments your opinion, your thoughts, and your experiences with it and what you think. And with that being said, don't forget to check out my Linktree link in the description box. It has all my different socials if you're not following me on there already, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I'm excited about this. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.